Thought I'd just give you a quick overview of all the ZEVA parts that I've ordered. They all arrived today, so I can get started with putting my battery pack together. I've only collected about 3 to 4 kilowatt hours of cells so far, but anyway, let's get started. So this is the ZEVA Monitor. You can see peeking out right now. It's got a couple ports on the back, one for the CAN bus connection, one for the SD card. It's also touchscreen, so when it's actually on and plugged in, you can use the stylus or your finger. Also comes with a few little connectors as well. These guys are the actual satellite monitors, or whatever you want to call them, so these monitor all the individual cell voltages themselves. On the sides, they've got the 2 CAN bus ports. They've also got an LED indicator light and a little dial switch to change the ID of it, and of course the ports for the battery cells as well. Again, all these components are coming with small little connectors as well that are perfectly suited for them, which just plug in right down the bottom there. So this is the current sensor. So essentially it's got a couple mounting points. This little thingy slides on, and it's got 3 sides you can mount it from along there. It's also got 2 connectors for the CAN bus, a little button and status light as well. So you basically put one of the wires from the traction pack through that center hole there. Over here we've also got the 12 volt low cutout sensor. So essentially you run your whole 12 volt system through this little device, and once it gets too low, it cuts power out to save your battery. It's got a small ground connector and reset button connector, and you can use all those connectors in the back there. This is of course the main eVMS, the brains of the whole thing. So essentially the CAN bus plugs into this. It's got a whole bunch of input outputs for the contactor, etc. Got some more connectors down there as well. And over here we've got the cabling that came with it, so essentially chop it up to the right sizes and it just fits right into those little connectors. They've got little screw terminals on them, so you can plug it all right in. And of course we've also got the main contactor as well. So this is a 400 amp gigavac, which should handle everything pretty well. Oh yeah, everything also came in these nice little padded bags, so everything was shipped very, very well. Anyway, that was it, just a quick update on the BMS system and all the main components of it.